It's Boys of the Most Toys coming at you yet again, and you guys want to see more Minicons so that you can build Minicons for your your bigger Transformers. So we built a car already, so we did a quick poll on our page, and you guys wanted to see an airplane and a tank. So this week we will review the airplane one, and next week we will do the tank. So just a quick note before we start, I forgot to mention last week, the whole point of having the head like that is so that you can connect to your larger bots. So you can put, as long as you put a stud or whatever on an exposed stud or a jumper plate on your larger robot, you can now fit your Minicon in place. So that's pretty cool. So let's check this guy out. And you can build him, of course, in any color you like, but I build him in black because I'm making him an evil Decepticon. You could do him in white and blue and make him like a mini Jetfire, or Skyfire. So let's check out the parts you'll need and let's quickly build this guy. Okay, so you can pause the video here if you need to get the parts, and then we'll get building right away. Again, as always, I'll try to keep my big hands out of the way, but since these are so small, it might be difficult. But we're going to start with this inverted angle bracket and these pieces with the stud facing out, and then we're going to just do that, same as the other one. And then we're going to take two of these clips and put them on like that. Okay, and then we've got the general body of the Minicon. From there, we are going to take a handle brick or plate and snap it in. Two more clips. Like so. Oh, not like so. Like so. Facing the same direction, or you will have some problems. Another handle brick. Like so. Okay. Then we are going to turn it over and start working on the top. So we'll make it into an airplane mode first. So we're just going to fold like this. Oh, I did make a little boo-boo there. So that is actually supposed to go the opposite way. So you should have this right now. So we'll build the tail section. Jumper plate, G-slope. Okay. And finish off the back of the plane, just a standard 1x2 black brick. So we have, okay. Then we're going to take these handle pieces, one like there, one like there. And then we're going to take two of these slope pieces, one there, one there. And we're going to finish that off with a 1x2 smooth tile. Okay, so you can see it kind of looks like a submarine right now, or space shuttle. Oh, that gives me an idea. Then we're going to take another handle piece and put it on the front, like so. Finish that off with a 1x2 plate and the connector or the head piece in any color you like. So that's a round 1x2 with the hole going right through. So let's build the rest of the plane. A 1x2 with clip, a 1x1 flat colored yellow tile, and another curvy piece like this, 1x2. Okay, you can see it's taking shape. We're then going to go and put a model like this and take these wing pieces, clip them onto the handles. You can see where this is going. Okay, finish him off now by taking a 1x3 on both sides, connecting them into the gray port, and then you're going to just put a G-slope here and a 1x2 finishing tile here. Do the same here, which gives a nice airframe, plus of course the arms in the Minicon mode. So there it is, swooshable. And again, you can do this in any color you like, just the mechanism needs to kind of be the same. So transformation, very much similar to the, well, not really, very much, well, yes, very much similar to the car one. You want to take the wings and fold them back like this. Take the nose, fold it back, turn around to this side. Then you want to rock out what will become the feet, pull out the sides of the airplane, and you have a Minicon. So that's pretty much it. It's fun. It's little. It's really little. Do I have my minifigure around? Yes, I do. Check out the scaling. Okay. And then here's our Minicon car from last time. Okay. So that's pretty much it. And then join us next week when we do the mini tank. So hope you're enjoying these Minicons. We'll do a few more. And maybe we'll get some other ideas going with these Minicons. But stay tuned on our Friday show because we do our larger Transformers. Hope you'll be watching. We'll talk to you soon.